Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to set up schedule notification on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. From your home screen, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the notifications. In the notifications, find the scheduled summary. Just turn on the switch button. Then a pop-up will appear. Then click the continue. From this, you will see an application that you want to put on your scheduled summary. Just choose one, two, or more. Example, share it. Just press this application. And if you want something else, just find in here. Example is the messages. I want to put it on a summary notification. So, click this circle. I choose two applications for my notification summary. And after that, click this, add two apps. And this is how it will appear. Then, click again the turn on notification summary to enable. And that's it. This is how it looks like when you scheduled your notification summary. And if you want to change the schedule time, just press this to change the schedule. And that's it. We have successfully set up our scheduled notification on iPhone X. And if you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.